In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check software version on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly check the software version that you have installed on your PlayStation 4. You will be able to do this at any point, either when you are online or offline. So to check the software version on your console, go over to the settings. From the home screen of the PlayStation 4, navigate to the top right corner and access the settings. Inside, you will be able to scroll down until you find the system category. So go inside of system, and one of the options is going to be system information. This is where you will be able to go to check the system software version. So inside of system information, you will have, of course, a lot of information about that specific console, including the option to see the software version. You will be able to see if you have the most up-to-date version in there. You can update your console if you would like to acquire the latest one, and you will be able to see the specific version that you currently have installed inside of that menu. You might also see some other information about the console, like the name that is displayed and some sort of IP address or MAC address, and you can use this for whatever reason. Every time that you go in here, you will be able to check it, and of course, when you update the version, this is going to change. Besides this, there's not much else to do in this window. You will be able to see the firmware or the software version, and besides this, you cannot change any of these settings. Remember to always update your console if you would like to get the most up-to-date bug fixes and performance uplifts, and as long as you keep it up to date, you will be good to go. You will be able to check for updates not only for the PlayStation 4 console, but also any other games that you might have, and you can do this at any point. Just highlight a game, for example, and choose the option to check for update. You can do the exact same thing on your PlayStation 5 console, so you can also go over to the settings, system, and then system software to choose the console information option. I hope I was able to help you on how to check software version on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.